In order to lock your Facebook profile on Android, you just have to install the latest version of Facebook application on your mobile device. Then after launch the Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now go to your profile section by tapping on your profile picture in the top right corner. Tap on your name in the top. You will be taken to your profile page. Now from here, tap on the three dots that is beside the edit profile option, tap on it. And there you will see the lock profile option between view as and activity log option, tap on it. As my profile is already locked, there is an option of unlock profile. So if you want to lock or unlock profile, you can tap on this option. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. You just have to tap on lock your profile. And this will make your profile more private by restricting who can see your post and personal details. Only your friends will be able to see your post and profile information. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.